Hey, Nikki Brown here, no matter where you are and what part of the world you're in. I hope that you're having a good day. So tonight we're trying this organic Indian coconut squash dal. And we're going to have it with some tofu. So I just mixed that in with some couscous. And the tofu has been seasoned with tofu seasoning, salt, pepper, a little bit of chili powder. And yeah, I think that's it. So we're going to put it all together. And here we are. This is a great meal to eat out of this skillet. This is a small skillet. It maybe looks big, but if you look at it in perspective to the apple, it's not that big. But yep, it's not that deep. I think it's 6 or 8 inches. I think it's 6. I think it's 6. Yeah, because the pan that I cooked it in, I think is 8. So yep, it's like a 6-inch pan. And that is dinner for tonight. So I hope that was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.